Imagine an entire forest going up in smoke every year. In Pakistan's scenic northern region, this is not an exaggerating but a harsh reality. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Cabinet Standing Committee was recently informed that around 1 million cubic feet of timber is burned for fuel annually in just the areas of Dir, Kohistan and Shiringal. This wasteful practice is a direct threat to the environment and a loss of precious national resources. The problem as presented to the committee goes even deeper. In the Chitral region, a huge amount of wood that has already been cut down is simply lying on the ground and rotting. Officials reported that a stockpile of over 7,000 fallen trees, nearly 14,000 logs and tens of thousands of pieces of timber, a significant portion of this wood was cut illegally between 2004 and 2010. So a period of weak law and order that led to large-scale forest destruction in areas like the Arandu Gold Forest. Chaired by Provincial Minister Aftab Alam, the committee is now urgently seeking solutions. The key goals are to stop the burning of wood and prevent more illegal logging and find a way to use the already cut timber before it rots. So one major proposal is to sell the wood from Arandu Gold and use the revenues similar to oil and gas royalties for local development, but only with the community's consent. To deal with the existing illegal stockpile, the committee reviewed a proposal for a special one-time amnesty. Under this plan, if the wood is sold legally, 70% of the proceeds would go to the government and 30% would be shared with local stakeholders. So this is seen as a practical way to clear the old stock and provide a fair benefit. Alongside the forestry crisis, the Cabinet Standing Committee of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa also reviewed the financial and technical aspects of major hydropower projects like the Gebral, Kalam and Madain dams, ensuring that the energy development is pursued responsibly.